mountain hums its quiet tune. Whispers rise beneath the moon. 1,000 stars bow to the blue. Om Mani Padme Hum. Petals fall yet never run. Every whisper becomes the sun. Om Mani Padme Hum. The river bends but never breaks. Time it turns yet never takes. Echoes call through crystal lakes. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Petals fall yet never run. Every whisper becomes the sun. Om Mani Padme Hum. Breath of the earth, it circles slow. Roots beneath and winds that grow. The lotus knows what we don't know. Om Mani Padme Hum. Petals fall yet never run. Every whisper becomes the sun. Om Mani Padme Hum. Whispers float like threads of silk. The mountain hums its hymn. Her river bends a quiet guilt. In every breath a sacred sound, a heart unbound, a truth profound. Om Mani Padme Hum. It blooms, a lotus rises from the gloom. Om Mani Padme Hum. Consume the light, the dark, the vast vacuum. Stars blink down through ancient skies. The moon holds secrets deep. Each petal folds where shadows lie. Echoes of the chant, they twine through every pulse, through space and time. A mantra sung, it realigns the mud, the bloom, the soul divine. Om Mani Padme Hum. It blooms, a lotus rises from the gloom. Om Mani Padme Hum. Resume the endless path, the cosmic room. Stars blink down through ancient skies. The moon holds secrets deep. Each petal folds where shadows lie. Echoes of the chant, they twine through every pulse, through space and time. A mantra song, it realigns the mud, the bloom, the soul divine. Om Mani Padme Hum. Petals fall yet never run. Every whisper becomes the sun. Om Mani Padme Hum. through the silence.